Yo, what's going on YouTube? Today we got another vocal preset. We got Sosocamo, Keep Steady. If you guys haven't heard the song will be down inside the description is below. And if you want the preset, it'll be inside my Discord server, also in the below. Follow my Instagram if you want to be updated every single time I drop. And here's the original song, and I'll play us together, and then I'll show you the vocal preset.
Outside with my niggas, we doing the most. Grabs on the table, yeah, I been gone. At the base and shorty, she tryna put it over. Keep steady, I told him I'm on one. Tryna make me be the bad guy. Telling people that this shit was damn love. How me an ex young nigga feeling paralyzed. When you don't go, can't stop, fuck a red light. 150 for the nails. I might put a bad bitch in Chanel. I pull back when this shit feel real. She want the molly, she want the pills.
Also, when you guys listen to us being together, make sure you also listen to how close the mix is to each other. Alright, here we go.
Outside with my razor, doing the most. Grams on the table, yeah, bang on. At the base, shorty, she tryna put it over. Keep steady, I told her I'm on one. Tryna make me be the bad guy. Telling people that this shit was damn love. How me an ex young nigga feeling paralyzed. When you don't go, can't stop, fuck a red light. 150 for the nails. I might put a bad bitch in Chanel. I pull back and this shit feel real. She want the money, she want the pills.
Here, I'll show you a little bit of the vocal chain.
Feeling paralyzed, we don't go, can't stop for the red light. 150 for the nails. I might put a bad bitch in Chanel. I pull back and this shit feel real. She want the money, she want the pills.
If you want this preset, it will be inside the description below. Inside the Discord. Like, comment, subscribe, tell me who I should do next, and I'm out. Peace.